much, Coach Louie. Ready na ba ang lahat? Nakapag-toilet break na ba? Kung anumang break ang kailangan mo? No? So, ready na ang lahat. Okay, so just checking. Lahat po ba dito ay meron ng um, dashboard? Affiliate dashboard, Star Legends Adventures .ph? No? So, if you're worried na pag maraming travel agents ay mawawalan ka ng kliyente, you're wrong. I'm here to tell you, you're wrong. Because that was my major challenge when I built travel and tours on my own and I realized kumikita na ako ng malaki pero ang dami pang kliyente. Hindi ko na kaya, otherwise hindi na ako matutulog nun. Di ba? No? Baka nagkaroon na ako ng eye bags at tsaka namayat na talaga ako ng tuluyan if I try to accommodate more and more and more. I've realized that as I mean, on my own, I have only limits to what I can do. No? Same with you. Agree or agree? No? So that is when I realized, it's okay to have more travel agents around me. So so sabihin natin, si LG, franchisee siya ni Star Legends. If naging madamot ako, this is the concept of affiliate marketing in Star Legends. And this is where your freedom is gonna really happen. Because if you're just gonna make travel and tours the traditional, I mean, if you're gonna run it the traditional way, it's very hectic. And of course, you can choose that. I'm just telling you that there are many other ways in our company. If you want to follow my roadmap, no, you have to pay attention carefully. Alright? So sabihin natin si LG. Okay. Franchisee ni Star Legends. May booking siya. So si LG, siya na ang nakakapag-desisyon kung magkano ang profit margin niya. Okay? So let's say, ngayon sa booking niya, she can earn 5,000 pesos. Ako as the one who provides the service, I'm no longer gonna earn the 5,000 pesos. Now, if I'm gonna be greedy, if my poor mindset got stuck with me, I would probably be thinking this way, no? Ay, bakit ko naman hahayaan si LG na kumita ng 5,000? 'Di ba? Akin na lang yung 5,000. Poor mindset will think that way, right? Akin na lang yung 5,000 kasi nagiging greedy, no? Pero hindi niya iisipin na, 5,000 akin nga, pero itong kliyenteng ito, my God, kailangan ako yung magki-cater nito from booking, from flying, and even after sale service. Pero okay lang, may 5,000 ako. Now, if for example, si Star, si Glenn, the same. If magiging madamot ako, pero kasi gusto kong lumawak ng lumawak, 'di ba? Kung ako maging madamot ako, ayoko si Star. Yung kita niya, gusto ko akin. Akin yung 5,000 ni Star, akin yung kay LG, akin yung kay Glenn. May freedom ba doon or wala? Inaangkin ko yung lahat ng kita, trabaho ko rin. May freedom ba yon or wala? Meron, wala. Sabi ni Ash, ni Elnor, wala. 'Di ba? Pero ito, dito talaga nangyayari ang freedom, which I am sharing the blueprint in our system. Huwag na tayong maging madamot. Si LG, si Star, kayong lahat. The truth is, baka iniisip nyo, may mga nagme-message, okay lang daw na mag-mark up si Star Legends ng ganito, pero wag naman doble or triple. Natawa ako doon, no? Natatawa ako doon. Please don't think that we will mark up your bookings to the point na mawawalan ka ng booking. We are not in control of the prices in Star Legends. We are dealing as a wholesaler from the airlines, and the airlines is the one rewarding us. Okay, our providers are the one rewarding us. If you see a lot of like, okay, may mga pinapasa kami. If you hit these points, if you hit these points, because we get more from the suppliers once we hit bulk. That's why you think if nagma-mark up kami sa inyong lahat ng bonggang-bongga na we can control, mag this and that. Do you think this company will still exist? You think may makakapag-book pa rin? You think may magiging milyonaryo dito na, si Star Legends pala ang kumikita sa booking mo na ikaw ang naghirap, ikaw ang naghanap? Wala. The concept is, LG, iyong 5,000, si Star Legends may 20, may 40. Si Star, si Glenn may 20, may 40. Pero, hindi na ikaw ang haggard. No? So, ikaw as an affiliate in Star Legends, that is available in your system. That if, for example, meron kang 100 affiliates na laging nagbo-book na buwan-buwan may 25 segment lang, 100 affiliates from you, 15,000 pesos po yun. So kami, tinulungan mo kaming mag-market, right? Kasi ang realization is abundant po ang travel and tours. Okay? So, abundant ang travel and tours, pero ikaw, Glenn, kaya mo bang i-accommodate ang trillion of customers? Yes or no? Mary Ann, Eleanor, kaya nyo ba? No, you can't. But how can you get a piece of the pie? Okay lang ba sa'yo kahit 5-5 pero ang 5 mo araw-araw ay 1 million na pamilya ang natutulungan mong magnegosyo? Na sa bawat 5 na yan, may kumita ng 50,000. Sa bawat 5 na yan, may kumita ng 100,000. Masasaktan ka ba? Hindi. Ang ginawa mo lang, nag-share ka lang ng kung anong nakakatulong sa'yo. Ikaw, happy ka na sa regular customers mo. Kasi in this type of business, kapag ma-build mo ng tama ang service mo sa mga taong bumibili sa'yo, guys, pwede yung pang lifetime. Pinapasa pa nga yan sa kaapwapuhan nila. So yung anak mo, sila nang magkikater sa kaapwapuhan ng mga clients mo. That's how it works here. You don't need to worry. Kapag meron kang 100 regular clients na travelers, monthly, corporate account, government account, I'm telling you, that's how it works. Okay? Are we learning? So matatakot ka ba na marami tayong travel agents? Type 2 sa mga natatakot. Type 3 if hindi ka natatakot. 2 natatakot, 3 hindi natatakot. Huwag kang matakot. If gusto mong mamuti ang buhok mo sa stress, sa ka-accommodate ng millions na travelers, okay lang yan. Magtayo ka rin ng Star Legends para mag-isa mo mamuti din ang buhok mo. Diba? Kasi ako, I'm giving it all. Oh, ikaw, sige sa'yo na yung 50,000 mo, no? Kahit ano lang sa akin, 5, 20, okay lang ako. That's how it works. However, di ba, kaya hindi nangyayari yung abundance sa iba kasi, ay, ito, kumikita to siya sa akin. No, yung mayaman ito siya dahil sa akin. Di ba, may ganong mindset. Nakalimutan. Kung wala siya, kikita ka ba niyan? 'Di ba? So let's not focus on what the others are getting from us. Let's focus on what these people can bring value to our life. Learning or learning? Learning or learning? Ayan, sharing is caring indeed. No? May value ba ang natututunan? Okay, so ngayon, huwag kang maging madamot sa travel and tours business mo, dai, dong. No? Hindi mo to kaya mag-isa unless gusto mong mag-manage ng 1 million employees, then go. 'Di ba? I'm telling you, kahit 20, 50 na tao, ang difficult na, no? So, trust me, you wouldn't wanna go that path. Marami ang nag-challenge sa akin. Gusto daw nilang i-duplicate ang Star Legends. I said, good luck. I'm not scared. Good luck. Good luck lang, sabi ko. No, sabi niya, I hope successful booking sa El Nido, coach. Yes, go for it. The more you give, the more you receive. Indeed. Okay, so 8990, you get a 1.5. So every day you can aim to help one kababayan. Weekly, you can earn that easy 15,000 pesos. Kami, we can take charge on the registration na pwede naming ibahagi sa'yo generously. No? Yung pinag-investa ni Star Legends, ni Coach Izzy, ni Coach Louie, lahat ng mga experts na andito, hindi mo na yan hahanapin pa. Focus ka na lang sa pagpapalaganap ng magandang balita na meron tayo mga kababayan, magandang negosyong gawin na hindi invite-invite, na hindi sariling gisa. Dito totoo talagang may kita at may growth at may long term. No? Pwede ba yon? Pwede ba yon? I-target mong tulungan. You can start targeting helping 100 families or 100 Filipinos. Type dyan, I will. I will. And trust me, you can come back later on and say, thank you, Coach Louie. Thank you, Coach Izzy. Iba pala ang feeling na kumikita ka dahil may natutulungan ka. No? Iba lang yung products or service na nade-deliver mo, iba rin yung natutulungan mo dahil sa isang magandang opportunity na ibinigay mo, na pati personal growth, which is the most valuable growth. No? I will, okay? So abangan natin yan, Coach Louie, multiplier kasi si Sis Welma, nai-enjoy niya yung extra 15,000. Nanalo pa siya ng 5,000 pang advertisement niya. No? So, now, we will see you guys on the leaderboard. Gusto ko may screenshot nyo yung mga leaderboard nyo na nandyan ang pangalan mo. I-target mo yan kasi bawat pangalan na nakalagay dyan sa dashboard means a lot. No? Ako, nung affiliate pa lang ako, bawat oras na nandyan yung pangalan ko sa top leaderboard, it means that that's how much value I'm bringing to the community. That's how I saw it. Alright, Milet, indeed yes. Yes, iba ang ligaya ng may buhay kang napapasaya or natutulungan. Very good. Let's all be aligned to make a difference in this world. So FYI, kung natatakot ka, coach, hindi po kasi ako marunong mag-mentor. Nagsabi ba kami sa'yo na i-mentor mo sila? 'Di ba? Kami na po ang nag-i-invest sa mentorship. Kami ni Coach Louie, nila GM, yung mga leaders natin. Myself, the step-by-step courses that they can use anywhere, that they can open anytime, anywhere at their own convenience. Nandyan na po. Meron dito kasing isang leader nagsabi, Coach, sana meron ng step-by-step training. Andito po actually lahat. Premium